Hey guys, welcome back to another video today. I'm going to be playing The Return of Monster Truck Football. You guys enjoy the video and of course, give me the chase. I may be rusty at this, but who cares? The Vikings will be starting on offense first, so line him up. But, and a pretty decent gain. Giants are lining up, set up. Marches it right into the end zone. Touchdown Vikings. On a way back up over here again now. Vikings on defense, set up. It was a pretty good gain, but set up. And I think it's just short of a first. There's only one more play that they can run. I'm just going to set him up right here. Set hood. Well, it's first and goal, but that's okay. Put touchdown. 7-7. Vikings on offense now. Set hut. Oh. A pretty good stop on defense, if you ask me. Set hut. That wasn't a good stop. That was not a good stop at all. They line up in the back of the end zone. Set hut. Wide into the end zone, folks. 14-7. Down. Set hut. And just stop short of the first. Down. Set hut. Stopped, but not within getting the first and goal. Set hut. That's in. 14-14. There is 10 seconds remaining left in the half. Now. Down. Set hut. Timeout. Timeout called. 3 seconds remain. I'm assuming this is going to be the last play. Set hut. Touchdown, boys. Woo! 21-14. Sad the Vikings don't get the ball, but they'll try. As for the kickoff. Set hut. Decent. Second and goal now. Or not second and goal. Second down. Wait, no, I gotta redo that, my bad. Wait, did he step out of bounds before he went in the end zone? I can't remember, but I'm gonna count it as no good. First and goal basically at the goal line. They're gonna line up ready to go at the goal line. Said hut, oh god. Touchdown, 21-21. In the third quarter now, folks. Towards the end of the third quarter at this point. He lines up right there. Set hut. Well, flag, full start, offense. Move just a little bit back. That's okay. Set hut. Who stopped just short of the first down. So second and goal. Well, not goal. My bad. I am rusty at this. They're gonna line up at the goal line. Set hut. He punched it in and walked out. Touchdown. Fourth quarter, 2-minute warning. Due to lack of interest. 21-28. Set hut. Nah, I rigged that. Set hut. Stopped right here, folks. Down. Set hut. Nowhere. He got nowhere. Stopped by the defense. This is going to be the last play that they can run unless they get the first down. Come on, Vikings. Set hut. Wait, no, I accidentally rigged that. Hut. He got the first. First and goal. And hut. A loss. I set it down and it. Second goal, folks. They walk it in. You gotta be kidding me. There's 20 seconds remaining as a tied game. They're gonna try and line up. Said hut. Timeout. Timeout called. Timeout called with 10 seconds. Down. Said hut. Ooh, they're gonna let it run down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hut. Touchdown. That is the game-winning touchdown, folks. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. On applause. Go quack. My bad, Tyler. I didn't mean to say quack, but give me the chase and quack.